Well, hello. It is the end of a work day. I am tired, but working from home, it's extra important to connect with other people. So I'm going to share with you step by step how to have some video calls in 3 different ways to connect. All right, so let's start with, let's pick Instagram. You pick the house symbol and then a symbol in the corner here, the little sort of like a paper airplane, and then you pick who you want to call, and then you pick the little video symbol right there. Oh boy. Hi. Okay, I'll do the next one.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, so that's one with Instagram. I'm going to try WhatsApp. You pick that, then you pick who you're going to call, and then you pick the symbol right there and call. Thanks.
Hi.
Thanks so much for being part of this. Okay, have a good
You're
evening.
welcome.
Okay, bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Okay, we'll try Facebook now.
Okay.
Okay, go through Messenger, and then you find who you want to talk to, and then you click the video symbol right there. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I might do, and with this option, we can add people to our chat, which is very cool. It is super important that we stay connected with family, friends, and this is an opportunity to connect with a video chat through with colleagues too. If you don't have platforms like Zoom or Skype or Google Hangouts, that's it, Google Hangouts. So there are so many different ways. These are 3 social media connected: Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, quick ways that you can connect on your phone. The same applies for on computer. You can connect as well, but that's the phone way because a lot of people do have the mic and video camera on their phones, and I hope that you're able to connect with people as well during this time. Thanks for tuning into this. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services, and these videos here on YouTube, or if you listen to them on the podcast or check out additional information in our blog posts. We're here to help you reach the variety in your audience, and your audience might be any kind of group of people. So we're here to help you with different tools and resources. Again, my name is Patricia. Hope you have a light bulb learning moment, that you are staying safe and well, and of help to you. Please feel free to share, like, subscribe, and comment what kinds of videos would be helpful for you. And until next time, talk to you soon.